basically I'm going to be making a very healthy salad. Basically, you can make yourself some dressing, or you can just put some dressing on it yourself with some garlic and lemon and honey dressing. But personally, I'm just gonna have this salad with some rice and, you know what I mean, and some bits and pieces with some chicken later on. But I just want to share the video with you, what you can do at home to making a nice, lovely, simple, fresh homemade salad. Now, right here I have cucumber, which I'm going to be using. Alright, and I'm going to simply cut my cucumber very small. So I'm using roughly about quarter of a cucumber. I'm not using a lot. Nice one. So that's the cucumber. And not nice like when you can cut the cucumber like that. Now I have some red apple. I love this apple. I eat like 10 of them one time. They're just amazing. So I'm just cutting up the apple. So I'm just using one medium-sized apple. Alright, I know I got 2 apples, but I'm not gonna be using nice one. Over here I have some celery. Straight inside of it. I'm just using one stick of the celery. This is some fat, nice, lovely, juicy plum tomato. Really nice. It's looking amazing. That's looking really good, guys, honestly. Just gonna be using a spoon. The color is just fantastic and amazing. All right, not only that, it have that beautiful look Now, what you can also do is just crack a little bit of pepper. And I have some this is some chili flakes. I'm gonna put this on it. Don't get me wrong, you can put dressing on it, but I just keep it my own simple. So what I'm gonna do is share it out into this bowl. So in this bowl empty, I got some rocket and spinach. I'm gonna just put a little bit of this on it. Then I'm just gonna put a little bit more on top. Alright. And that's simple. Yep. This is just lovely. Scrape the rest. On top. Alright. So as you can see, oh, that salad look amazing. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that beautiful salad. Really fantastic, lovely. The color, the texture, everything is just amazing. All right, 100%. I know you guys definitely will love this one. It's something just really amazing from Chef Ricardo and the team. All right, so basically I want you guys to subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend to a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. As I say, you can make yourself a dressing and put on it with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, honey. But if you're gonna have this with some rice and peas or chicken, you don't need to do that. It's just to keep it simple like this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We have a lot more recipes coming for you. Healthy, not only that, healthy weight loss salad recipe from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned.